Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and briefly explain how to create a PayPal account. Let's go. So, tap up PayPal in your browser, tap up PayPal account, and now create a personal or business account. Now, if you guys don't know or are confused on where to find the site, I'll just put in the link down below so that it's easier for you. And once you get here, click on sign up for a personal account. Now, what you want to do is enter in your working phone number, a phone number that you can easily access to. It'd be better if it was your own phone number and then you have access to it, but as long as it's working, it would work. So after that, now you click on next. Now I'm not gonna like actually do it, but I'm just gonna briefly explain. Um, I'm just gonna briefly explain how you create a PayPal account. I'm gonna go through the procedures. So also there's this page, it's called Wiki Help, and it teaches you how to do anything. But over here, they teach you also how to create a PayPal account. So I'll just use this as your guide and kind of explain, but I can also put this in the link down below so it could help you guys out. So once you get to this page, right? So it would look like this, and then once you get to the page and then you enter your phone number and click on next, they're gonna send you a confirmation code on your text messages on your phone. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to enter that code. So they're gonna send you a code, and then you're gonna have to enter the code, and then this is what it looks like on when you're gonna enter the code. So once you've entered the code, you're gonna be asked to set up your account. So you're gonna be asked to enter an email. So use an email that's working and you have access to it, and then create a password. Now, when you do this stuff, I want you to make sure that you have somewhere where you can keep it safe, so that it'll be easier for you in the future. So once you have that, click on next, and then it'll ask you for a code again, right? If it asks you for a code, just enter the code. But if it doesn't, then it's fine. And it'll probably take you here. After that, you'll probably be able to sign into your PayPal account. Or if they ask for more personal information, like for your full name, your address, postal code, or whatever, it's fine. Or like the country where you live in, it's fine. It's okay. Just enter it in so that um you just have to complete the procedures. And after that, you should be able to sign into your PayPal account soon. So you should have a proper working PayPal with your email and your password to sign in. So I'll also provide a PayPal login website for you guys in the link down below, so you guys can click on that when you want to log into a PayPal account. So you just enter your email and your password on the login page and then log in, and then you should be able to log in. If it asks you for a code from your phone number, just enter the code and then you should be able to log in. And now what I want you guys to do once you've created your PayPal account and are able to log in, now I want you to confirm your phone number and your email. So this is very important. So I think I'll just show you myself. So I already have a PayPal account. So I'll show you what's inside once you create a PayPal account and how to confirm your phone number and your email. So I'm gonna go to my PayPal account right now. So this is what it looks like. Now, I want you to go to your settings over here in the top right corner. Now go down. So settings and then account. Now go down, and over here you'll be able to see your email and your phone numbers. I want to make sure that you have a proper email working that is added to your PayPal account and a proper phone number working that is added to your PayPal account. So as long as you have that, it's good. And then I want you to make sure that it's confirmed. So make sure you confirm it. So when it's not confirmed, it's gonna say here unconfirmed. And for your phone number as well, if it's not confirmed, it's gonna say unconfirmed. And then what I want you to do is confirm it. So you're gonna have like an option, like you're gonna be able to have an option on on confirming it. So if it says unconfirmed, you should be able to click on it, and then you should be able to like confirm it. How you confirm it? They're probably gonna send you a code to your email to confirm your email and a code to your phone number to confirm your phone number. So just confirm it. And then once it's confirmed, the unconfirmed over here, it's gonna be gone. And it's gonna show like this. So mine is already confirmed, my email is confirmed, my phone number is confirmed, and that's good. Now what is it's gonna happen is that having a confirmed email and a confirmed phone number is gonna help you, you know, retrieve your PayPal account if anything happens or if you forgot your password. They'll be able to, how to retrieve your PayPal account, and it'll just help them know your identity just to verify that it's you. So just have your email and your phone number confirmed after you create your PayPal account right away. After that, what I want you to do is go to your wallet over here. Go to your wallet at the top. Go to your wallet, this wallet. Now I want you to link your bank account. Don't link your card, don't link your debit. Link your bank instead, your bank directly, because this is where you're gonna like transfer your money to. So like if you want to transfer money from your PayPal account and you wanna have cash, you wanna transfer it to your bank. And you that's how it's gonna happen. You're gonna transfer it to your bank and you're gonna link your bank. So it's link, you're gonna have to link your bank first. So click on link bank, not link card, not credit, link bank. Click on link bank and then you're gonna choose a bank over here. So for example, I choose RBC. Depending on where you live, it might show other banks, but yeah. So I choose RBC, and then what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to put all of your bank information and then agree and link. After that, they might ask you to confirm it with a code sent to your phone number. You just confirm it, and then your bank will be linked to your account. Mhm. So that's how it works. So that is all. That is how you create a PayPal account for newbies. I just basically like kind of briefly kind of explained on how it's done. So after you create your PayPal account, I want you to confirm your phone number and your email right away and add your bank account, link your bank account. That's how you do it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also our other videos in our channel, hit the notification bell, subscribe to our channel if you haven't. If you have any comment, consider suggestions, please comment down below and we'll be happy to answer all of your questions that you have. Okay, thank you. That's it. Bye-bye.